used to be a big fan of Philips products years ago. Unfortunately, after many restructurings and optimizations, their company prioritized volume over quality, and this was a game changer, at least in my point of view. I promise to put my prejudice aside when unboxing and reviewing this DashCam. The ADR series are providing excellent quality at a reasonable price. This is currently the most expensive purpose-based car DVR I've owned and is positioned as a mid-range to budget-friendly device. The box is covered in Chinese, and indeed, this one is targeted to be sold in China mainland. Primarily, thanks to Chinese retailers like gearbest.com, it can reach pretty much any part of the world. It is good to see that Philips have generously included good quality accessories. We have a decent and long cable, a few quality adhesive tapes, and the mounts. Recording resolution is either 1080p or 1440p. If done on 128 gig card, which is the maximum supported by the way, you get 880 and close to 1300 minutes of footage respectively. That is more than 20 hours of footage. Just a reminder that 720p is also present and easily doubles this amount. Before showing you some footage, let's go through the menus. Remember when I told you that this device is primarily targeted for China? Well, luckily for us, there is an English menu. Go to the fourth page, select the first choice and voila! The DashCam goes en anglais. Seriously, let's study the options. You have some important picture controls at the beginning, going through the additional extras, then audio and motion, then the device-related settings, until we reach the sections that developers place last, the About and Firmware sections. Although it is not a touch screen, navigation is super easy. In fact, I still prefer buttons over touchscreen here. No app, no Wi-Fi, no Bluetooth. Let's run some footage. While you're watching it, let me share some more facts. There is collision detection and emergency mode. You may fine-tune the sensitivity. If temperature raises above 70 degrees, it powers automatically off. Assumption is that there may be a fire. Quite obviously, this car DVR does pretty well what it is designed to do. It's hard to believe I'm saying good words for a Philips product, but yeah, it's quite impressive. Soon or later, I'll probably share some more footage, but that as soon as I get to know it better. Last but not least, the price. Told you it's not cheap. I was lucky to buy mine on Black Friday for about $50 from gearbest.com. The regular price is between $130 and $150, but you may look around for some coupons. And the right place is usually in the description below the video or on our website techforall.net. This is one of the best car DVRs I've used so far. What do you think? Is it worth the money? Join me in the comments below and have a wonderful day.